Okay, I'm doing a very quick Curlbox unboxing. This is my very first box. Look like they came with a thick hair edge brush. It's perfect for my daughter. She has some very thick hair and I can hardly brush it at times. All right, let's see. Here's a little Curlbox magazine. I always toss that to the side. I want to see what I got. Okay, like we got a afro pick here. I can get that to my brother. What is this? Some coconut curling cream. Oh, I bet you that smells good. Oh, and I needed some more edge control. Hello. Thank you. What is this? Easy wrap slide on fashion band. I like the patterns of that. That's cute. Okay, some curl stretcher cream rinse. And some Style Stay frizz-free finisher. Okay. I think I can rock with this. I like it. I don't have any of these products, so I'm going to try them all out. Thanks for watching.